One of my very favorite stops on our 3 stands tour was the workshop of Usto Sodiq Zaripov, the wood carver from Istaravshan, Tajikistan, as you can see, north of Dushanbe and south of Hujand. Now, enjoy.
When he was studying, there were 15 students, and most of them were girls in England. The right occupation they were done by women, and the hard part was done by men.
Umar vaqtdagi rahmet tog'am eshitdim, men master roskite ko'rmayman.
Because he afraid of his uncle. When he was next to him, he was working with the right hand. When his uncle is gone, he was They're so sharp. Even you can do what's that? Shave. Usually women does that part, portion of the
کور کردگیش چه میفهمیدم همین پرخه بسیار شود و کور کردگی
In Russian it's lesa.
The blade.
It's a blade,
You
yeah.
have a scraping
Or polishing.
a plane.
The fairy tale is about the fox.
ولی بالای نگاه کنید این روباه
Abman
درخت
cheated the crow and took the cheese from the crow. That's why this fox is looking up because the crow is on the tree, and she saw the cheese and wanted to take it from the crow.
Umman روباه میرد چه گیرد زوغا بسیار تعریف میکرد تعریف
شما از روش چیزه سویدید؟ چیزه سویدید؟
راوها
Maybe you have seen that he put some oil, and I asked what he put it on the wood. He put some oil, not to break the teeth.
غاوسی آرام قریب 1 میلیمتر
The thickness of this instrument is 0.8, almost 1.
چونکه موی کودکو نازک میشه برای همون بوری سر میکنیم دندون بروره این داستان برای
Они устал, шел того шама. Ну, як сантиметр кушать?
قریب 1 سانتی نوحش نوحش
Gavsi, arka tollu bozu. Niye o nokta?
نوحش این برای کودک
Damlını darozu, damlını çok tosu.
نه غاوسی
Gavsi, damlını non haşmi.
منیمین غاوسی انیمین نوحش غاوسیش نوحش
The thumbnails with art.
I'm arguing with him because he says the thickness of his instrument is 1 centimeter. I'm saying it's not 1 centimeter. Yes. No, it's not.
But he's
It's
eyeballing
0.8.
He's eyeballing it. He's just eyeballing it, right? He's not.
Yeah, he's probably done it for so long.
For so long, he knows exactly the feel of how to move his hand. Yeah.
هر سفر تشک برم
Da.
بعد من روباهی آیون میگه که زوغا نگاه کنه زوغ و زوغ سیاکو ایخده تو سفیده که شروعه خونش باید کامپیر میفسونم تیلی بکن
He is telling the legend there was a master whose equipment, for example, he has wood, but that master had the stone, and he should work so accurately not to break any of his instruments. And to know the secret, once another master sent an old lady to his house, to that master's house.
بعد کامپیر میبرن و ما میگه همه خونوتامو زندگی کنم مالش میگه زیاد زن شوهر کنم بعد زندگی که میبرن که زن شوهر بسیار مهربون با یادگار بسیار مهربون Son what country ballocha var mesela. Tibet'te. Zana koy böyle ki kustan kızda şurada hemi şavara da böyle kusti nav vurun terbiye. Sonra şavra canlı ve bardora şavraş mı ki ama kusti nav vurun. بعد از دندونی من این برآوردن من یا با این سنجیدن هم نکن کنترل کردن هم نکن که حق به این دندونش سخت یا نه برای همین
And next step is the quality control. I made the teeth, I did the shape, and after the next step, I need to check whether all the teeth are okay.
من این گوش کن تو
Ay.
Sonra
And it should be both sides.
Wow.
دندون
Back and
کنترل
forth.
گذاشت
Now it costs the quality control.
کنترل گذاشت دیگه پروسسش این پروسسی دندون برآوردن سال میشه
And the next step, he needs to sharp the edges.
File.
File. Okay.
Wow.
Each teeth.
اون یه سببی
Перчатка лепишь нужно?
نه سببی این از کردن آیا دندون دیگه دندون گذاشتن میگیره هیچ جا اوزون نمیبینه دیگه اونجا
You never hurt your hands because he's only 30 for 25 years. He used to
نیره
do
من
that.
سببی عصبیشتگی من که یک جا رفتم زربین میری کتا اما گاشتم تایو کردم اون پول پرستوز دیگه وقتا یورو اون گاشتم گام دیگه پول پرستوز من گفتم خیلی گام نمون پول ندارم گفتم اما اون نه نیم ساعت پیشش بود اما کالام جوش میشه $800 ها خلاصه کارو من دندون بردم انا کو برای که این پوره تیار شود باید 40 دقیقه دیگه در کن برای همون خودم همین چیز رو کار باز میکنم همین فهمون
Ним сам вешает на банку?
دیگه اینه نمیشه اینه
Until the final, to have the good final product, it takes
پلیروفکاش
polishing. It takes 40 minutes. Okay.
برام به
That's why I will stop here.
Usto Sodiq carved a simple baby's comb in the shape of a fox, and unfortunately I forgot to take a picture of it. But here are some other combs and other hand-carved wooden products that you can purchase from Hunarts. Just check them out on our website at hunarts.com. That's HOONARTS.com. See you soon.